crypto market is pumping thanks to the crypto strategic reserve news. It's funny how the news drops right in accordance with the Elliott wave count. You really can't make it up, guys. That's why Elliott wave is undefeated. Now, I'm going to show you in this video my targets for this final leg to the upside. It looks good that we're in the final wave right now, guys. No shit. You don't need me to tell you that. All-time high is looking to break on Bitcoin, but I don't believe it's going to go as high as most think. It's going to be probably a little disappointing for Bitcoin. Now, Ethereum, Solana, altcoins, I think they're going to rally pretty hard, but Bitcoin, I'm looking just to basically sweep this high one more time before we do go into that bear market. You know, this is the final leg up, and, you know, from everything I can tell on the Elliott wave count, after this final hit to the upside, we're going to go into some type of an extended bear market. Just something to be aware of. And I'm going to show you my targets for Bitcoin, how this wave to the upside is going to look. I don't believe we're going to go straight up. There's going to be some opportunities here. If you've been watching this channel, been bullish all last week. I'm so bullish right now. Historic weekend coming for Bitcoin. This means everything. This was Friday. Over in the premium Discord on Friday, this was on the 28th, February 28th. We were talking. I said I just loaded up on Solana and Ethereum, gonna fill a bag up some memes, hope that we hold this level. Since then, Solana's up 40%. Ethereum is rallying, and I'm looking at much more here. So make sure you're in Discord, guys, just to get, you know, stay on track. If you find yourself lost in this market, join the freaking Discord. It's pinned in the first comment down below. There's a free Discord. You're gonna want to get in the premium though. There's a 4-day free trial of premium. I do post all my trades there as well. Currently not in any leveraged positions, I'm going to be honest with you, but we're going to go smaller time frame here. I'm going to break it down as to what I'm looking for in my next trades. So let's just get right to it. Kind of got a lot to go over, so I'm going to just steamroll through all of this for you guys. This is the overall structure I'm looking at for Bitcoin. You guys, if you've been watching this channel, this is nothing new. I've been showing you the structure. Just looking for a final wave 5 to the upside to take out all-time high. Then looking at this bear market activity for, you know, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. You know, definitely a bear market is coming, guys. I can say that with good confidence. Over on Ethereum, this is the final leg that we're talking about over there. Looking to hold this trend line, as resistance. Could have a throw over, but basically putting in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending diagonal. Also, that will be the finishings of something, maybe come down for some type of extended bear market like so on Ethereum when all is said and done. But we are in the beginning phases of, I believe, an absolute face melting run to the upside for Ethereum. And I'm going to show you how we get there as well. Let's lock in on Bitcoin for a quick second here, guys. Now on BTC, why do I think this is going to be kind of a disappointing rally? I know a lot of people are looking at 150, 160, 170, 180 plus on BTC. I just don't see it. From what I see, my wave 1 into 2 is right here, normal size. My wave 3 is right here, this entire thing. This is my extended wave. I mean, that's an extended wave 3 from what I can tell. Into a wave 4, which was deep. We said in I think Friday's video, this is very deep, but I still love for this to just rip to the upside. It's very unlikely that wave 5 is also going to be as long as wave 3 and extended like that. You know, it's very unlikely. Usually on an impulse, you only get one real extended wave. It's usually your wave 3, and that's what we got here. Wave 3 is extended. To get 2 extended waves is unlikely. Now, the way this has pushed to the upside, well, you know, it looks very impulsive. There's potential for 1, 2, absolute 3, 4, 5 rip to the upside with no pullbacks. But if we're going to put in a 5-wave shape up here as well and then give a pullback, you know, this one too, the size of that would lead to an extended 5th wave. You know, we would be getting that extended 5th. So it depends what happens here. on this immediate move to the upside and where we get our corrective pullback, because there will be a corrective pullback, and I think it's coming. That's going to give us good long entry. So it's to be determined. But right now, if my life was on the line, you said, Alex, how's this wave going to look to the upside? I'm going to say, and we're zoomed in on the hourly here, that we're in the makings of an ending diagonal, which we have a wave up, going to get a move down here, take some liquidity back, up, move down, and then final wave. That's what I would say is what she's going to look like. An ending diagonal right here. Boom, something like that. That's going to be our 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be the finishing wave. And as far as targets go, I'm just pulling a fib from the start of this entire move up to the finishing of wave 3. And I'm going to draw a line down to the 618. Right here. Very likely target is 130. This is just a little trick that I like to do. Also, if we pull a fib from the start of our wave 1, or the finishing of our wave 1 to the start, we look at these extensions. The 3618, the 4272. Probably I'd be targeting the 4272 if this was the case. You might want to go on log scale. We are on log scale. Look at that. Regular scale targets are way lower. You got to be on log. 4272 is coming in at 140. It's a pretty high target. I don't know if we're gonna get that high with it. 122 looks good. Let me go on regular scale, guys, real quick, and let me actually pull the regular fib to the 618. All right, there, do that. Yeah. So if we pull the 618 on regular, we're only coming up to right here. 117. That would be disappointing, huh? That would be disappointing. I'm doing this real time for you guys. Now let's go back to log and pull this. I like that target. I like it. Believe it or not. Comes in right at the 3618. Man, that's just a quick sweep of the highs. 116. That would be disappointing. For BTC at least. I still believe Ethereum and all, Solana and everything else is going to rip pretty good to the upside. But, if we put in some type of ending diagonal like so. Here, let me get rid of everything. Let me put my line back on 116. Now, it depends. If we finish up here and decide to come down like so, back up, back down, and really channel in here. Like that. This is a very real possibility. Something like that, guys. I would be expecting something like this to play out. Needless to say, what I'm trying to get at here is, guys, look at these pullbacks. Look at this pullback. That's a beautiful short. That's a beautiful long. That's a beautiful short. That's a beautiful long. There's plenty of trades to be had. Do not let FOMO get the best of you. It takes a little experience in the trading game to kind of recognize that feeling and just ignore it. Because there's always going to be more trades, guys. There's always, even if we're in a bear market, that's the best time to trade almost, Speaking of the bear market, guys, and we're going to hit Ethereum real quick as well in 1 second. But I need to show you one more structure here on Bitcoin before I let you go, before we get off of Bitcoin, switch over to Ethereum. But the bear market, needless to say, is approaching, guys. It's right around the corner. So holding spot is going to do nothing for you. Trading meme coins, buying meme coins is going to do nothing for you. It's just, we're going to be in a bear market. You need to be leverage trading. I use 2 exchanges. They're both no KYC. You sign up with your email. I use 2 exchanges, one for swings, one for scalps. Trust me, it's what you guys want to do. You want to have 2 main exchanges that you use. Blowfin is my main. BitUnix is my secondary exchange here. They're both no KYC. BitUnix has great liquidity. I hooked you guys up with crazy promotions for Blowfin. Pin in the first comment down below is the link. You'll get automatically entered into this promotion here. It's the $100,000 ladder challenge. Guys, this is the best promotion, not just for Blowfin, for any exchange that they will ever offer. You will never see a promotion like this. It's good through March 17th. Take advantage of that link. Get up to $100,000 in bonuses. But, just look at this. $450 for a $1,000 deposit is crazy. These bonuses are insane. So you need to take advantage of that. Also, you automatically get entered into their VIP 1 trading fee tier, which you usually have to do 10 million in trading volume. You automatically get put in there, which is reduced trading fees. Take advantage of that link right there for you. Blowfin is the Chart Junkies link. Use it. BitUnix, you get VIP 2, which is 15% off trading fees over on BitUnix. Take advantage of that link as well. Again, I use both of them. Blowfin's my main. BitUnix is for scalp smaller trades. All right. Let's head back over to BTC. So this is my primary, this diagonal situation for Bitcoin. Secondary, if we end up getting a pure impulse to the upside, it's going to look something like this. It's going to look something like this. 1, 2, maybe we got a little higher to go, a little pullback. Boom. Like that's our impulse. If that's what we get, I would be expecting a little pullback and an absolute rocket to the upside. This would be my wave 1 into 2 rocket. That's the type of wave we're looking at. I'm not really expecting this right now, but hey, it depends. If that's what we get here on this initial move to the upside, then okay, I'll change my tune and we'll trade accordingly. But as of right now, it's not really something I'm crazy about. If we look at the daily RSI, we're coming up on this trend line. We are on the trend line. As I stated in my previous video, I'm looking for this to break. Do we break it now, or do we get? Are we finishing the beginning leg of our diagonal? We have put in. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how I expect this to play out. We have put in an ABC. There it is. We're at the 1-to-1, right? Something like that. Basically at the 1-to-1, we can go a little bit higher. Needless to say, we are at RSI trendline resistance on the daily. All right. Now, would it be crazy to get a little bit of a rejection? A little bit of rejection off of this. Recover some more of this wave. That's our finishing one. Give us our 2-leg of our ending diag. And then we break through this massive trend line. Boom. That's and then we finish it out like that. That's what I would say is the most probable situation, guys. Hey, listen, if you could find another channel that maps out these structures like I do, go, be my guest, listen to them, watch them. I don't know if you're getting this content anywhere else. I think this channel is unique in how we map out these structures. And, I try to give you guys the smaller time frame analysis as well. I know a lot of people don't really do the smaller time frame stuff. I really try to give you guys up close and personal stuff, even though it's very difficult. I still, put myself out there for you guys. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. I understand that, but I hope you kind of get a feel for where my head is at with this channel and with my trades and what I do and how I'm just trying to share how I became successful in this trading game. You do gotta try to be unique in what you do. So I understand not everyone's going to agree with what I say a lot of the time, and that's okay by me. That means I'm doing something right. Switch over to Ethereum, guys. Over on Ether. I've had this structure mapped out for a while. A long, long while. This ending diagonal situation. Yeah. Now, if BTC is going to give us some type of diagonal move like this, right? That's how Bitcoin's finishing wave is going to look like. It doesn't matter to me. I would still be expecting a nice, healthy impulse to the upside. Something to watch out for. I'm hesitant on saying this, but something to watch out for on ETH is we can take this 4, we can move this right over here. This can be 4. So instead of being impulsive, we could be coming up like this and putting in a WXY situation. As of right now, I'm not going to entertain that. Either way, I'm still looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm still looking at some kind of move to the upside. I'm looking at 5,500 for Ethereum, guys. I want to see all-time high taken out, and I want to see all-time high taken out barely. Look at that. Like, I don't think this is going to blow off top and rip up to 8K, 9K, 10K. I think it's just going to be a sweep. And when you're zoomed out, it's going to be a sweep. Zoomed in, it's going to look like some type of blow off top. I'll tell you that much, you know. The box I drew is almost $1,000, right? So, but in the grand scheme of things, just a quick sweep of these highs. We're going to zoom in smaller time frame for Ethereum as well here. But after we top out here, coming up to this trend line, we might have a quick overthrow. Extended bear market. Bear market. I just don't. I think people need to curb their expectations and understand that, hey, structures are looking finished. They're looking like they're about to be finished. You know, and the structure don't lie. The structure don't lie, guys. I know what I'm doing once we take these highs out. Do you know what you're doing? Come into the Discord if you need some clarity. If the market is a little hectic for you, you need to be in the Discord, guys. Smaller time frame on ETH. I don't hate this being a legit impulse. Maybe ETH settles down a little bit and then goes up for one more. Maybe we do get some type of corrective shape for ETH. I would still be looking at, you know, this being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that being my wave 3, you know, 1, 2 into 3, correction down 4 into 5. I like that. I like that. Probably would be looking to take this liquidity out right here. But if ETH puts in a structure like this, I don't know how big of a fan I'm going to be for Bitcoin giving us that ending diagonal. That's my only issue. It's my only issue. Because for Bitcoin to put in the ending diag, we would be topping out up in here. Guys, this video is long. I'm sorry. I'm doing this live for you. You know how I roll. And you know, if it was to top out somewhere up in here, I don't know, you know, I would be looking at a corrective shape for Ethereum as well, you know, and with that, how are we going to get an ending diag on Ethereum that gets us up to all-time highs? It's just highly unlikely. So maybe we do got a little bit higher to go on BTC. You know, something like, you know, just works its way up there, but still gives us the corrective shape. You know, you got fib targets up here, the 1618. Maybe we come up to 99. Maybe we come up to 100K. Maybe we get up to 100K. And then we give you a correction. Maybe that's what we do. And Ethereum finishes this, takes this out up to like 2,800, 2,900. You know, it's not going to go straight up. I'm not saying we're going to just keep piping up there. You know, there's going to be small little pullbacks here. That's what I would say. I'd say we're on our way to 100K for BTC. Then we'll correct down and then start correcting up again. ETH will come up to around 2,800, and then you'll get your correction on ETH. We'll see if it plays out. Tomorrow should be interesting. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already, guys. I'm going to end it here. Make sure you check out Blowfin and BitUnix. Take advantage of those links, guys. They are not going to be there forever. I'm telling you, this promotion never happens on Blowfin. I got it back for you guys. Take advantage of it now. And also get the reduced trading fees on both of those exchanges. I'll see you over in Discord. There's a free trading course over in Discord as well. Free Elliott Wave course. Make sure you take advantage of that. Follow me on Instagram. The link's there as well. Pin in the first comment down below. Drop a follow on Instagram. Post life stuff. A lot of mental stuff. A lot of motivation stuff that has helped me in my life. Check out the Instagram. Trade safe, everyone. Hope you guys got in on this. Trade safe, everyone. Love you. Bye.